pressure. Ben Cuttings, you little beauty! High and handsome, it's out of here! This is huge length delivery. That is Ben Cuttings at his very best, 107 metres. It's the biggest 6 of the HBL PSL 8.
Oh dear. You can breathe, you can smile.
Into the last over of the power play, and what a start.
The sound, Corky, the sound off the bat. Just a little bit of room, James Vince, 106 metres, if you don't mind. It's got to be the longest of the tournament, doesn't it?
Has to be up there. He looks in fine form. I know James Vince, you've watched him.
Oh, he's got underneath that one. And when he hits it, it stays hit into the crowd.
And one-sighter. Googly, picked, spotted, swatted.
Oh, he's gone leg side. Chaka! There it goes. What a hit. I reckon he is so strong with those wrists, those fingers on the bat handle. I reckon he could change a wheel on a car without the jack.
Two left. Fetch this! Oh, sweet!
He misses the Yorker, and it is absolutely there for to be hit. Dean Smith, all that muscle, he just probably needs half of it. 104 meters.
200 रन आपने करवा दिए. आपको इसी तरह खेलना पड़ेगा. आपको रिस्क लेना ही पड़ेगा. तो एक दो छक्के तो चाहिए होंगे हर ओवर में.
जी हाँ, प्योर मसल पावर जिसे कहते हैं. रीप्ले में भी बल्ला इतना तेज घूम रहा है, तो इमेजिन कीजिए कि रियल टाइम में कैसा होगा. Oh my God, the sound on that. That is the area that belongs to Mohammad Rizwan.
And which wasn't a bad delivery. It's just the nature of the beast. This T20 cricket is tough on the bowlers at times. A short man, Rizwan, just getting under the ball, and the new ball travels.
Ah, the wrist play! It's on the roof! And been moosed!
New balls, please, for sure. Have a look at